Hey guys, today I'm going to be microwaving some soap. If you guys want to do this, the trick to this is using some ivory soap. If it's not ivory, I don't think it'll work. Just pop that on a plate into the microwave. Watch what this thing does. That's it. Okay, it did hardly anything. Don't think I put it in long enough. Look at that. It jumped. Put it in for a minute. Oh, there it goes! There it goes! Look at that! It's huge! There. Oh, it's going off the plate. It's going off the plate. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. You can smell it from out here. Okay, maybe a minute was a bit too long. Look at this thing. That was once a bar of soap. It's kind of hot. Surprisingly, it all stayed on the plate. It looks like whipped cream. When it's warm, it's really squishy. But it sticks to your fingers. Just to let you guys know, you should probably do this on a paper plate. Because I did this on one of Mom's plates and she can't get the smell out of it now. Reset.
Please don't ever do that again. It's too dark in here. It's not even gonna cook out, honey.
Boo!
Okay, don't do that, okay?
Okay, I won't.
Thank you, honey.
I won't do that again.
Thank you.
Did you just get yourself a quibble? Or you had that for a while?
I don't know, I just got it today. I can't upgrade my castle because I don't have
a million
a million
coins.
coins, which is ridiculous, so.
Mommy.
There sits my mammoth.
Mommy, that's why you buy one of those hotels, so you can put your mammoth, or some of those monsters in it, and have your mammoth out. And so you can keep breeding. You...
This is not funny to people usually, probably. I'm just sitting there with your mother doing stuff, but okay.
I know, I'm just standing here, doing nothing.
So, there's no tricks to this? There's no catch?
Nope. Yeah, just put monsters in the hotel if you can't have them out, or don't want them out. Sorry about that, jumping in here and screaming. Sorry, Mommy.
Okay. Thanks, honey.
Later, guys.
So now how do I do this?